Everybody got on the plane.
Oh, God. Well, I got on fast, so.
Wait, I'm doing mine maybe for free. I'm doing 50 maybe for free.
Hey, Dad. He over there.
I'm doing all black and play.
How long is this video for the beat? How long your video for the be? Like an hour long?
No, it's not gonna be an hour long. This just something I'm doing with your family.
I'm talking about the video when you cooking Nigerian food.
No, I separate them. I did one thing, and then I cut it off. Then I did another thing, like my chicken gravy, and then I did my ham, and then I did everything separate. Is that okay with you? DJ, is that okay with you? They're not over 20 minutes, okay? Are you gonna watch them?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Is you gonna watch them or Taria?
I watch some of your videos.
You do what?
I watch some of your videos.
Some of my videos.
Yep, bro.
Why you don't watch all of them?
I don't be able to watch them.
No.
I go on there, put on YouTube. When I lay in my bed, I go to sleep as soon as I put on YouTube.
On TV?
Uh-huh.
Watch it on your phone. You hear me, DJ?
I watch TikTok.
You watch who?
TikTok.
I don't even watch YouTube on my phone.
Okay, TikTok. What is TikTok?
Granny, you old school. You don't know what TikTok is?
No.
Like you do videos?
Like you do what, Colin?
I say like you do, like you dance.
No, Colin can't say videos. Say videos. Say it, Colin. You watch TikTok?
And I watch all your shows.
Oh, you watch all my shows? Okay.
I watch it on my mom's phone on my TV.
Okay. All right.
Granny, I need some. Granny.
Okay. I know you need to say something, Skylar. Like what, Skylar?
What you using my phone for?
So I can show her TikTok.
Where your phone?
I can't show TikTok. Wait. I can't.
So y'all gonna do a TikTok for me?
Yeah, I want to do a dance.
You wanna do what?
A dance.
A dance.
I'm a black boy everywhere I go. Granny, look. This
Where you going,
TikTok.
Reese?
Upstairs.
Okay.
This TikTok, Granny.
Okay.
Hey,
That's TikTok.
Yeah. And make dances and that's me. I don't make them. My dad is a black boy.
So you a what?
My dad is a black boy.
But what are you? You a black boy.
Everywhere I go.
Everywhere I go. Your daddy sings that?
Yeah. I'm a black boy.
Sing, Colin.
I'm a black boy. Everywhere I go. I know.
You are, baby. Everywhere you go, if you got any drop of black blood in you, you a black boy. The white people don't let you go.
Black is going.
So you're a black boy. If you got a black daddy and a white mommy, you're a black boy.
My mama, her skin like something else. Her be a black.
Pull your hands down. Your mommy like what?
Her change her skin to something else. It be a black. Oh,
Well, what color is your mommy?
what?
What color is your daddy?
Black. So that makes my skin is white and black. And Corbin's skin is white and black, like me. We're the marrows.
Y'all the who?
The marrows.
The Marrows.
I don't know what that is, my mom. What that is, Daddy? What we be the black people?
Y'all mixed? Is that what you're trying to say? You're mixed.
Everybody, you turn they turn you in a color. They'll make you a mixed guy, a black or white.
So you both of them.
Scream.
But you're pretty. I mean, well, you're not pretty. You're handsome.
Oh, you black and my mom is white.
Oh, I thought you said like.
You put white in there right here. You put black right here. And they'll change color and go to somewhere else.
Oh, they will.
And you turn, this is black and white, you turn it into something else and back to your skin.
Oh, you sure does. That's right. That's right. Because you always be good in your skin, regardless if you got a white mommy
And Jesus,
or black daddy.
Jesus,
Huh?
Jesus is what you know. You feel him. You feel him. He'll be real.
Who will be real?
Like Jesus.
Jesus.
He in the sky.
Yeah.
You feel him. He right in the sky. Something get buried. You buried. And the cat. My baby cat Quaver that's killed. He been doing bad, like hurting him, like breaking him.
Who did what?
Quaver been breaking his neck.
Breaking the neck
Like
of who?
And my mama, we came off the bus and her dad dig a big hole. We helped her.
To bury the cat?
My mommy said, Quaver, let me tell you, you buried him. Jesus is the sky. The cat get dead. Jesus is pick him up and bring him in the sky.
Yeah.
And look at your neck or your feet. Like whoa. He's checking that. Jesus.
You talking a lot about Jesus.
And
Do you know what Jesus is? What is Jesus?
like you love.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
You love
Who
your
taught you that?
nobody. I just learned it.
You said what?
He said nobody. He just learned it.
Learn what?
About
Love.
Jesus.
Jesus
And love.
and love. My mom tell me that.
Your mommy.
Mom,
Okay.
you love your cats. I just love my cats. I be holding them. And grabbing, be like holding them right here. And kind of twist my neck off.
Mm-hmm.
He's doing that. I keep telling him. I keep telling him stop, and he not stopping. He not listening to me.
Okay.
He don't listen to us.
All right. I'm gonna